Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. For part A, to show the expression for dy dx, differentiate x squared minus xy plus 2y squared equals 7 implicitly with respect. Minus y plus x dy dx plus 4y dy dx equals 0. Minus 2x over 4y minus x. For part B, vertical tangents occur when the denominator is 0, 4y minus x equals 0, or x equals 4y. Gives 4y squared minus 4y times y plus 2y squared equals 7, which simplifies to 14y squared equals 7, yielding y equals plus or minus square root of. Great job working through that! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.